How to buy shitcoin token. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on AutoSnipe. You'll be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token added it under this. Hold on, so I'm gonna open it, find some money for that. Click on swap here, as you can see. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, as you can see. Just wait a few seconds. So we'll just go back. So it seems that it's not available on Phantom Wallet. Now I will just switch to Bitget wallet. Now select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon. I will paste the token address here. Now wait a few seconds. So as you can see, this is our token. It's available on Bitget wallet now, for now. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet. Keep scroll down until you find it. So this is our token. Just click on it. Now here, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. And here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now so that is easy and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy shitcoin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.